Hello, my name is Mary Wister, and I am the Science and Operations Officer at the National Weather Service in Pendleton. The following slides will demonstrate why forecasters are anticipating a busy weekend with snow, freezing rain, and sleet. Hopefully, this presentation will provide a clear picture of the complex weather pattern that has developed over the eastern Pacific and the Pacific Northwest. To begin, this is a summary of the precipitation forecast from Saturday through Monday. Basically, snow is expected tonight and Saturday for all elevations. The heaviest precipitation is expected over north central and northeast Oregon. The east slopes of the Washington Cascades will also see periods of moderate to heavy snow Saturday night. By Sunday, another Pacific frontal system will bring widespread precipitation to the east side of the Cascades. The challenge for Sunday will be the precipitation type. Warmer air aloft will override cold air at the surface over central and eastern Oregon, resulting in a mixture of snow, sleet, and freezing rain. The warmer air will increase on Monday. While Central Oregon, as well as the John Day Ochoco Highlands, will observe increasing snow levels, with precipitation changing to rain for many areas on Monday, the cold air will be slow to erode farther north. Take a look at the snow level forecast. Notice how Central Oregon will have snow levels down to the valley floor on Saturday afternoon. Snow levels will increase to around 4,000 feet by Sunday afternoon, and near 4,500 feet on Monday. However, northeast Oregon and central Washington will only observe a slight increase in snow levels. The weather pattern is complex. A deep low off the California coast is sending moisture across Oregon. Meanwhile, an Arctic front over southern British Columbia is spreading very cold air across eastern Washington. These two fronts will collide and bring precipitation in the form of snow across central and northeast Oregon and eastern Washington tonight and Saturday. This image was created this morning that shows the forecast 24-hour snowfall through 4 p.m. Saturday afternoon, March 1st. Notice that only very light amounts of snow are forecast for the Washington portion of the Lower Columbia Basin, the Yakima Valley, and the Kittitas Valley. Over central and northeast Oregon, many areas will receive 1 to 3 inches of snow, with heavier amounts in the mountains. Winter weather advisories are in effect for some areas. For the latest forecast, check our website at weather.gov/Pendleton. This water vapor image shows the next Pacific front that will bring another round of precipitation late Saturday through Monday. The next slide will explain why some areas will see a wintry mix of snow, sleet, and freezing rain with this next front. This graphic is a cross-section from one of the forecast models showing the temperature profile from Madras, Oregon to the Tri-Cities. This particular model is showing warmer temperatures between 0 and 3 degrees Celsius, overriding much colder temperatures at the surface. This means that snow falling from the clouds will partially melt or melt completely, then refreeze before reaching the ground. This could mean sleet and/or freezing rain in some areas. Current forecast has a chance of snow, sleet, and freezing rain over most of central and northeast Oregon and far south central and southeast Washington, expanding north Sunday night and Monday. So what are a few things you can do to be prepared? First, wait until next week to run errands. Warmer temperatures are expected by Tuesday and Wednesday. Roads will be wet or less hazardous during that time. If you must travel, check the latest forecast and road conditions before departing. Dial 511 for the latest road conditions. The Washington State Department of Transportation and Oregon Department of Transportation have excellent websites providing road conditions. Have snow melt handy to place on sidewalks. Walking surfaces will be slick in many areas. Let others know about any inclement weather in your area via the National Weather Service Pendleton's Facebook and Twitter pages. You never know how your information could save a life. On behalf of the staff at the National Weather Service in Pendleton, I want to thank you for listening. Have a safe weekend.